Okay, children, welcome to this new and wonderful day and experience. Today is Friday, May the 29th, 2020, and in the English school is day 4. Yesterday was Thursday, and tomorrow will be Saturday. It's a wonderful day for playing and have fun at home. Let's continue with the next one. Here we have the next image. And tell me, what's the weather like? It's today a sunny day or maybe a cloudy day. Well, I think it is a little bit rainy or windy. Not foggy, really not foggy, because this time or this period of the year is not for having foggy days, but maybe sunny days and cloudy days, yes. Now let's continue with the agenda for today. At the beginning of the day, we're going to have PE class. Remember that here we have a virtual class. After PE class, you will have Spanish. Then you will have snack. After the snack time, you will have mathematics and language. And after language, you will have lunch time. And after lunch time, you will have fine motor skills. Now, pay attention, children. During the snack time and lunch time, remember that you have to go to the toilet, wash your hands, and be ready for having a healthy snack or a healthy lunch. And also, once you finish fine motor skills, you will have the opportunity to wash your hands, go to the toilet, and take your time to rest. And after that, you will continue making your assignments if you have something pending or something like that. Okay, so I hope to see you later in our math and language classes. See you. Bye bye.